Greetings and welcome to the Introduction to Astronomy. In this week's exploration of the solar system, we will talk about the MAVEN spacecraft and its studies of Mars. So let's go ahead and get started. Today, Mars is a cold, dry world with a thin atmosphere and no stable liquid water on its surface. But evidence from orbiters and rovers shows that billions of years ago, Mars once had rivers, lakes, and a much thicker atmosphere. So what happened? Where did the Martian atmosphere go? To answer that question, NASA launched the Mars Atmosphere and Volatile Evolution Mission, or MAVEN, in 2013. The spacecraft entered orbit around Mars in September 2014, just days after India's Mars Orbiter mission arrived. Unlike landers or rovers, MAVEN focused on a different goal: studying the upper atmosphere of Mars and how it interacts with the solar wind. Mars lacks a strong global magnetic field like Earth's. Without that protective shield, the solar wind, a stream of charged particles flowing from the sun, can interact directly with the Martian atmosphere. Over billions of years, this process can strip away gases, thin the atmosphere, and change the planet's climate. MAVEN measured how atoms and molecules escape into space. Its data showed that solar storms increase the rate of atmospheric loss, and that this process is likely played a major role in transforming Mars from a wetter world into the cold desert we see today. As MAVEN studied the interaction between the solar wind and the Martian atmosphere, it also detected something unexpected: aurorae. These are linked to ancient magnetic fields locked into the Martian crust. MAVEN also detected large planet-wide aurorae during a powerful solar storm, revealing just how strongly space weather can affect Mars. Shortly after arriving at Mars, MAVEN witnessed a rare cosmic event. In October 2014, comet Siding Spring passed extremely close to the planet, closer than any known comet in recorded history. As the comet's dust and gases swept past Mars, MAVEN observed changes in the upper atmosphere and the effects of incoming cometary material. This unexpected encounter gave scientists a unique opportunity to study how a planetary atmosphere responds to a sudden burst of particles from space. MAVEN's measurements have helped scientists piece together the long-term history of the Martian atmosphere. By understanding how gases escape today, researchers can estimate how much atmosphere Mars has lost over billions of years. These results help explain why Mars became cold and dry, and how planetary atmospheres evolve over time. MAVEN showed that the fate of a planet's atmosphere can be shaped by the invisible forces of space. The story of Mars reminds us that even worlds with rivers and skies can change when the sun and time reshape their destinies. So that concludes this week's exploration in the solar system video on the MAVEN spacecraft. And that also will pause this series for a period of time. We will be starting next month on a series on new discoveries and recent discoveries in astronomy. So until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.